It's time to stop and solve. Your first question says Mac runs 1/4 of a mile. John runs 3/8 of a mile. Which shows a correct comparison of these fractions? Don't forget our non-negotiable. Draw that comparison bar, represent each fraction, and then compare. The second question says the graph shows how many plate lunches the school cafeteria prepared for each third grade teacher's class on Wednesday. On your pictograph, the title is Cafeteria Plate Lunches. You have a list of different teachers that are labeling each set. The first one says Mrs. Corney, the second one says Ms. Brewer, the third one says Mr. Gomez, the fourth one says Mrs. Allen, and the fifth one says Mr. Cohen. It says each plate represents 7 plate lunches. How many more plate lunches were needed for Mr. Cohen's class than were needed for Mr. Gomez's class? Don't forget your non-negotiable, label your graph, then solve. After you finish working on these 2 questions, you may go on to the next slide to see Mrs. Bogart's explanation of how to solve and the correct answer.